How to optimize videos for social media platforms using LightCut. First of all, open the app on your device and select the project you want to optimize. Once your video is loaded into timeline, tap on the aspect ratio option to adjust your video's aspect ratio as well as resolution from the top. For example, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Instagram Reels or TikTok, and 1:1 for Instagram feed post. Adjust the resolution to ensure your video looks crisp. LightCut allows you to export from 720p to 4K. You can also trim unnecessary parts, add titles, filter, audio, stickers or animations to make your content more engaging. Preview the video to make sure it fits well within the chosen aspect ratio and looks visually appealing on the platform. Once you are satisfied, export the video and share it directly to your social media account. Optimizing your videos ensures they look professional, attract more views, and engage your audience effectively. Now you know how to optimize videos for social media platforms using LightCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.